For decades, Canon has been at the forefront of print innovation, delivering high-performance printing solutions for businesses worldwide. At the heart of that promise is exceptional quality every single time. But performance is never a coincidence. To unlock the full potential of your Canon printer, it's essential to only use Canon genuine toners and ink. Canon printers are engineered to work in perfect harmony with Canon certified toners, ensuring sharp, consistent, and professional quality prints. With Canon genuine toners and ink, every cartridge undergoes extensive quality and performance testing, giving you a complete peace of mind. No leaks, no breakdowns, no compromises. It's easy to verify your Canon genuine consumable in the sea of non-genuine toners. Every Canon consumable is uniquely marked with a QR code which can be easily scanned through your mobile device, which upon scanning, you will be redirected to the Canon website. Non-genuine toners may seem cost-efficient upfront, but in the long run, they result in excessive working costs, as non-genuine toners can lead to poor print performance, toner leakage, reduced yields, and serious security vulnerabilities due to compromised chips. Why? Because non-genuine toners are often refilled or remanufactured cartridges that does not meet with Canon's safety and quality standards, leading to high costs and frequent maintenance on the long run. To ensure a smooth experience with your printer, it is imminent to only use your Canon genuine consumables with your Canon printer. At Canon, we're committed to offering you smart, reliable solutions for your business. For consistency and print excellence, make sure you choose Canon genuine toners and inks.